Today, I will show you step by step how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet perfect for beginners. Open Cash App and tap the balance icon at the bottom left. Next, select the Bitcoin icon to open the Bitcoin section. Tap Buy, enter the amount you want. Let's say $1 for this example. Then confirm your purchase. Once confirmed, you will see Bitcoin in your balance. Tap the two arrow icon, choose Send, and enter the recipient's information. You can use a contact name, cash tag, or a Bitcoin address. Double check the amount and address before sending for security. Now confirm the details, initiate the withdrawal, then tap Done. Your Bitcoin is now on its way. And that's how you buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App in 2025. Start small, stay safe, and always verify your transactions. Thanks for watching.